Formet Industries, a division of Magna International and a leader in automotive manufacturing, operates a large-scale facility where compliance and continuous workforce training are top priorities. With a diverse team spread across multiple departments, Formet needed a learning management system that could keep up with evolving training and regulatory demands, while remaining easy for everyone to use. That's where GyrusAim comes in. For years, Formet Industries has relied on GyrusAim to manage end-to-end training operations. The platform's powerful course management and assessment tools make it simple to build, assign, deliver, and track training across the organization. This has been especially valuable for maintaining structured, consistent programs and ensuring every employee stays up to date. GyrusAim's Virtual Resource Center provides a centralized space for storing completion certificates and key training documentation, making audit readiness effortless. The intuitive interface supports both learners and administrators, streamlining day-to-day tasks and encouraging widespread adoption. Even during peak training periods, administrative efficiency has improved, with smooth tracking and reporting processes that save time and reduce manual work. Plus, GyrusAim's outstanding customer support, including personalized assistance and customer council meetings, ensures Formet Industries always has the guidance they need. With GyrusAim, Formet Industries continues to drive compliance, efficiency, and ongoing workforce development.